What is Bizstackpro and how is it different to Builderall? This is a brand new software for me. It's very similar to Builderall, but I've just been exploring it and I've just found something that Builderall hasn't got. So I'm just going to show you inside the back office. There's a welcome video there. Once you get there, there is a community you can join. There is bonus software, which I'll go over in a minute. And we do meetings and trainings. But let's go into the dashboard. If you click anything down here, you can learn about it over here. Okay. So if you see Launchpad, you can learn about the Launchpad. So this is how you can just teach yourself what it's all about. So in the dashboard, you can actually change what's here. You can change the dates. And if you click here, you can manage the time zone. You can add new widgets. And it's blowing my mind already. This conversations, you can track conversations in what? Oh God. Conversations from, I've just been in the contacts one and the contacts from obviously you've got to connect your Facebook and Instagram and whatever you want in there. And that I've just clicked on that and all the contacts are there. But get this, all the conversations there, and you can automate all and bulk action everything. This is a game changer, guys. You can also, it's blowing my mind. You can make a character on here instead just like the one in Builderall. You can get payments, so you can send invoices out, you can send contracts out if you do a website, and they can pay you monthly on a subscription, for example. You can set all this up just like in Builderall, but the biggest difference is all the conversations are in there and it's automated. What else can I tell you about here? So let's have a look at this. Marketing. You can add your accounts, and you can obviously schedule posts. Automation. Now this is where you can build. There are some already in there, some workflows, but it's blowing my mind, this is, guys. So you can build funnels, which I've started to show you with a couple of short videos, because I think long videos just overwhelm me. So I'm doing little snippets of how to add an image, how to make it bigger, how to make it smaller, one little minute at a time, because I find that works better than longer ones. So you can have membership sites. This is one of the bonuses, media stuff. Oh no, media storage, that's my media, but we have got a media cloud thing that's in the bonuses. This is just mind-blowing. So there's an app marketplace. Ooh, I have no idea what these are. I know what Zapier is. That's like a webhook thing that you can do. Ooh. So, mobile app. Oh, there you go. Download, lead, connect to mobile app. In the community, I'll show you the community, because this is really good. All the announcements are there. You can do some learning, because we've got live, we have the live trainings at 3 o'clock UK time on a Tuesday. There's a little leaderboard here. Whoever comments the most, I've got level 2. This is a game changer, so you get general discussion where you can add questions or what you've learned about Bizstackpro, because everybody's new and we're all learning it together. There's an affiliate program, and the bonuses that you get when you join Bizstackpro today, linking ADA bundle, so that means you can it's the Disability Act in America, where you can add a little piece of code to a website and charge the earth for it and make it disability protected. You can do it in 3 minutes and you can charge the earth for it. That's the Media Cloud Pro, all the photos and little videos, Social Munch, and you can choose a vacation or give a voucher away for somebody to incentivize them to buy something from you. So basically, it's a Builderall on steroids, basically. I will always love Builderall, but this is a game changer because you can automate so many messages and reach so many more people in less time. So if you want to join Bizstackpro, at the moment, at the time of recording, there is $200 off during launch phase only. It's going to go up to $297. At the moment, it's $97. So welcome to the team, guys. Just see you on the next video.